Hi, so today we're going to show you how to mask out some birch trees, or any trees for that matter. Very simple, easy method. And here we go. First thing I do is I take a tape dispenser. I'm using scotch tape here, but you can use masking tape, you can use scotch tape, you can use masking fluid, but I find this quick, easy, and simple, and because I'm so lazy, this is the way I do it. Get the scotch tape onto the paper. I have the dispenser here just so I measure it from top to bottom. Otherwise, I have to take a ruler and measure it. This is just so much easier. First thing I do is I draw the tree, and you notice I just draw a little squiggly line. I don't draw a straight line. I don't use a ruler to draw it. There are no straight lines in nature, and so I'm just trying to make it look realistic. And I do the same for the second tree, and now I do the same for the third tree. Now once that's done, I take the masking tape and I put it onto a surface that I'm not going to destroy when I cut it. If I were to do it on the paper, I'd be cutting right through the paper, and that would leave terrible marks and the paint would just soak in. So once I put it on the surface, I take my X-Acto knife and I just squiggle a line right down the side and down again on the other side. Very simple, just squiggle the line. Try not to make it too straight. And once I've done that, I just peel the sides off. There we go, the second side is off. And then I take the tape off the surface, off the cutting surface, and I put it right down on the paper. Put it down flat so that no paint or no water is gonna seep underneath it. That's the whole idea of the masking. Put the second piece of tape on. Again, I'm going to cut it down the side, a little squiggly. You notice the hand is squiggling. There we go, all right to the bottom. We do the other side. I've cut the sides off. Now I put the second tape down. And I've got my trees, my masking. And I do the same for the third tree. Here I'm just wetting the paper, getting it ready, preparing it for the paint that I'm about to do. And you'll see as soon as I put the paint on, how the tree is masked. It'll be white, and it'll be the beginning of the birch tree. So here now we're going to add some paint. The paint, of course, is going to be the sky. It doesn't matter what color you're doing, whatever painting you're doing, but in this particular case, I'm just doing the sky, and I'm doing this just to show you that the tree is masked. It's going to be white after I remove the tape. Because I am lazy, I prefer to do this, but you can mask in many other ways. This is just the way that I found nice and simple. And there you have it. That's how I do the masking of the trees. And there's a link below it that you can connect to the video and watch the full video and see how the trees come out. I think you'll appreciate it. They come out really nice. I like them a lot, and it's such an easy way to do this. Again, thanks for watching.